So we are here at Dubai Boat Show 2025. I'm with Sisi, the chairman. We're going to ask a few questions to the chairman regarding our market in Southeast Asia. So good evening.
Good evening to you.
My first question is, how does Gulfcraft plans to strengthen its presence in the key Southeast Asia markets?
You know, Gulfcraft has been in that market for many decades. And I remember we started exporting boat to Malaysia, some Indonesia, Singapore, as early as 87 and 88. And we feel that we have a very big opportunity in Southeastern markets, especially Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand. The reason for that we have the right product for that market, and we are also part of that culture. Then we have the services that we can service the boats better from here. The shipping cost will be much less than bringing boats from other countries or from Europe. So I believe we have a huge market there, an opportunity. Of course, that market is developing slowly but surely, you know. And last year we have now you as representative in Indonesia. We are going to Singapore Boat Show next April.
Exactly.
With, 3 yachts will be there. We were in Thailand last month at the show. But from next year on, you will see a lot of presence of Gulfcraft in Southeast Asian market.
That's a very good news, and I'm pretty sure our audience will appreciate that. So during our meeting, during the meeting, we've been talking about innovation. So we spoke about potentially going with different type of fuel for the propulsion of the boat. Would you tell us a little bit more about this?
Yeah, definitely. We are investing on less fuel consumption on the boats. We are trying to reduce dependence on generators, so most of our hotellerie in the future will be relying on battery and solar energy. We also, as you see in this show, we launched a new line of boats, that's Oryx line, which is actually give you the feeling of having a yacht, but at a less cost, which will fit very well in Southeast Asian market because it's close for the rain, for the air condition, for this. And at the same time, you have a lot of spaces inside, outside for a family, for a big family. And I believe that this is the market we are targeting with this new line of boats. And I hope that we will be able to have more and more of those boats in the future in that market.
So my last question is directly talking to our future owners of Gulfcraft yachts in Indonesia. What would be your advice? What would be the master key? Why would our clients should choose Gulfcrafts?
For one simple reason, the value. We give you a good boat at a good value. You don't lose in our boats and yachts. The value in the market or resale value will be always good in the market because the brand is good, the quality is good, and the price is good. So this is the main reason we are. Today we are giving a boat with the same international standard in everything, especially in yachts, with the same interior. Sometimes it's much better.
Yeah, I agree.
We use the best designer in the world now in our yachts. So I think the value any customer will find in our yacht will not find it anywhere. And I'll give you an example. If you buy another brand, okay, will be 30-40% more. But in 2 years, both value will be the same. People are looking for old boats from Gulfcraft because they still have a good value.
Good value, yeah. The quality sustain.
The quality is the same and sustain and live for a long time. Exactly.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
You.